What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to bold line in Google Sheet. First of all, select few column that you want to bold up. Like I want to bold up all this column, and then click to here border. You can see border option, click here and then all borders. So now if you want to bold up, then go to this border color, and here you can see border style, click here and then click to this to bold up. As you can see, all the border have been bold up. So that's it. It's a very simple tricks to bold up border. I think this is helpful for you. If you think this is helpful, then consider to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.